In this brand new video, you will now discover another data type, the list. Be sure to stick around, and watch until the end of this video. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. A list can contain sublists, as an item, which, in turn, can contain sublists themselves, and so on. This is known as nested list. You can use them to store and arrange data into hierarchical structures. Since the items of a list can be of any data type, my list can contain strings, integers, or even another nested list, with new items. Similarly, you can access individual items in a nested list, using multiple indexes. The first index determines which list to use. And the second index indicates the value within that list. Of course, a nested list can contain another list. Consequently, it would require a third index to access items of this second list, and so forth. Indexes for the items in a nested list are illustrated as below. Keep in mind that all of the operations you have discovered earlier can be performed on nested lists, as well. But, the deeper you are going to get an item, the more complex it will become, because of its syntax. So, it is sometimes more efficient to use another and more adapted data type, like dictionary in Python. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.